think we should just go here. It's open. Let's just go in. Megan. Ah! Okay. Power Drill Massacre. This video game is a genuine first-generation copy produced on behalf of and with the approval of fake scenarios. This background looks nice. Hold up. Hey. New shirt for Christmas. Let's go. Hey, this is the old intro. Okay, we're not going to do. I am blue. Hey. Ooh. Okay, wow. Turn that back. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Power Drill Massacre. I wanted to play some more puppet combo games, and this seemed like a pretty good start. Puppet combo makes really good games. I want to try playing them for myself and getting scared. So let's go. Do this. Puppet combo presents.
No comment about.
Ooh, I like how they just use like an image of the sky. That's very authentic. What are we doing right now? Max volume, y'all hear that? That's loud. Look at that crappy ass sun. Beautiful. Are we listening to like radio tunes or something? Like, what are we listening to? Helicopter? It sounds like a helicopter's like fly through just Jurassic Park, like doo 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 doo. Oh snap! Well, we dead? I don't even know who we are. We are? What? Well, I guess that's the end of the game. Oh, Jeff. Are you okay? I can't feel my legs. Don't worry, Jeff. I'll go get help. I don't know. I'm guessing just go because she's Megan. Maybe I'm sexist. I don't know. Shut up. Oh, snap. This is the worst headache ever. But I think I'm alright. It's getting dark. Better get a flashlight out of the trunk. Okay. Flashlight out of the trunk pile. Okay. Getting a hang of these controls. My flashlight. Pick it up? Yes, so rude. See Jeff. Oh. Ooh. Oh, he dead. Okay, what's up, Jeff? Don't worry, Jeff. I'll find help. Jeff. Yeah, he's not saying any words. He's dead. I don't know if he's good. Let's go. We'll find help, Jeff. The freak? Power Drill Massacre. Designed by Bennett Caruza. Benedito Caruza. We'll go find help, Jeff. Don't worry. I'll save you, Jeff. Because I am okay. I'm here and looking kind of hot. Not gonna lie. Oh, I see shelter. Look at it. Shelter. Is this a mountain? Can we fall off? Looks like a building in the distance. Maybe I can use the phone. Maybe we can walk off. Whoa. Oh, no, we can't. Okay. They won't allow us. Aww. That sucks. I mean, if I know, since it's a horror game, who knows the horrors that'll await us in that building. I think it's best to just jump off the building. Get it over with. We even going the right way? We're getting cardio all this. Oh. I think we turn this way. Let's go! I'll save you, Jeff! Oh, almost logged off. Good thing they have that, because I have no control over this character. Okay, I think we're going the right way. I love the stretched out textures, it's amazing. Oh, yep. We're almost there. I'm coming home, coming home. Well, actually, no, I'm coming to death. I'm coming to someone's random house, actually. Hello? Anyone home? Oh god, this is... Oh, there we go. Yeah. Megan's skinny, she can make it through there. Oh! The bells are scaring me. I don't want to know what awaits me in this house. Ooh, okay. Let's handle this like I would. I mean, I would have walked right out, but whatever. Megan, I trust you. Nothing in this car. Can we inspect this car? It's just a junk car. Nothing interesting inside. Yeah, except for bodies. What, you wanna know why it's empty? Because we're going in there. Can we comment on this red pole? Megan, what do you think about this red pole? Nothing? Okay, nice. Oh! I heard something. And I don't like this already, bro. Okay. We should go around. Let's see what's around here at first. You know, let's see what we're dealing with. Okay. Rackety old shed. What do you got to say about this shed? Whoa! Stop, game. Stop. Is this like, does this mean like I can commentate on it if... No? It is a shed. Okay. We got some doors here. Action. I can't use this door, it's rusted shut. Good! Why are we doing this? Megan? What about this door? No? Okay, you don't like this door, Megan? This door not worthy for you? How you gonna turn and run? I'm gonna break my fingers playing this game. I don't know, man, guys. I'm a PC noob, okay? Cut me some slack. I don't play many games on my PC. I prefer the controller. Look at how Megan turns. She a freaking robot. Rest in peace. I would have prayed to die in the car crash, Megan. What do you think of this, Megan? No, nothing. I hope Jeff is okay. Yeah, Megan. I don't think he's okay, man. I would've... did you check for a pulse? I mean, if we check for a pulse, then, I mean, you don't need to help a dead corpse, man. I don't like the footsteps I'm hearing, guys. I don't trust this place. But whatever, Megan. Oh, this door looks openable. This door is open. No, go inside. What a creepy building. Yeah, maybe we shouldn't go in. Oh, no. Oh, no. Can we leave? Turn around. Turn around, Megan. Turn around. Can't leave yet. I got... We don't gotta help Jeff. Okay? Why we gotta help Jeff? No. No. Guys, I can't play this game. No, I'm a man! Let's do this! There's something here. Something here. What's here? Looks like a key. Pick it up. Why the freak not? Let's go to the menu real quick. Controls. How do I open? Stop. Stop. Strafe. What are strafes? Q and E. Q. E. We gonna be hiding in one of these stalls. Bet. How do I use my menu in this though? Do we have a menu? Camera. F1. What's the camera? Ah. version's creepier. They're all bad. Can we comment on the eye here? What do you think about this drawing? I don't know if I do, but I think it's quite pleasant. It's actually rather impressive. You know, this drawing, you know this drawing was made, you know, like one of those people that like are like really good at drawing in school and you don't know like they even draw until like they're like you're like halfway. Okay, I thought that was blood. You don't like they even like draw eyes until like halfway into like the ear. You know those kind of people? Yeah. Ooh. Key, look around, look around. Face. Looks like an article ripped out of a newspaper. Read it? Sure. The search continues for 2 missing campers in the Pocono Mountains. Mason C. Sargent and Laurie Summers for Long Island, New York have been missing. Since June 8th, their campsite and their belongings have been located, but investigations have few leads. Police say that there's no visible signs of a struggle, and this continues to be a rescue mission. The rest is missing. It's dated 1982, 5 years ago. They're dead. 5 years ago. Miss me with that. I thought these were lockers that we could hide in. We just go around full circle? No. Guys, I don't know if I can do this. You know, I'm doing this for y'all. I'm doing this for you guys. Okay. Shift button. Unlock. Megan. You look so calm in this situation. I would have peed my pants by now. A dark puddle on your pants there. Maybe that's something else, I don't know. I don't want to get into the nitty gritty. Darth Vader living here? No. No. Guys. Guys, I'm being serious right now. Guys, I'm being serious. I'm being serious. I'm being serious right now. I'm being serious. I don't know if I can handle this, guys. I don't know if I can handle this. I'm gonna give me one boost, guys. Just one. Come on, this is my first game session. I can't. I'm scared. I'm scared as free. Let me have this one. Okay? I'll do anything else that y'all say. Let me just have this one thing. Let me just have this one thing. The man is somewhere in this place. I heard him breathing. That wasn't us walking. Oh no, that wasn't us. Oh no, it wasn't. That ain't us. That ain't us, guys. That ain't us. That ain't us. Tunnel. Sugar tunnel? Sugar tunnel? Who's this? We going. Some graffiti here. I don't know what this freaking crap is. Guys. I don't know what they're freaking doing. I don't know what we're doing. Megan, what are you doing? You do this for Jeff? Jeff, Megan, you're the best friend any Jeff could ask for. That's facts. Always look before you turn, guys. Just want to walk. The killer could be here. A sugar tunnel. What makes this tunnel sugar? Explain to me. Is there a killer in here or Darth Vader? Why can I hear the wind so clearly? We're inside. We're inside. Oh no. Oh no. We do this for you, Jeff. It's another floor. It's so claustrophobic. What's this? Door's locked. There aren't locks with these splotches of paint, blue, green, There are 3 locks with splotches of paint, blue, green, red. Okay. So, this is what we use to escape, I assume. Because, oh, Darth Vader ain't gonna let us walk out here. Darth Vader ain't gonna let us walk out here, guys. Being honest. It's open. Can we leave? Guess I'll go back upstairs. Thank you. Okay. I think we should just go here. It's open. Let's just go in. Megan. Ah! What a freak! Oh my god! I need backup. I need backup. If I have a chance of being in this game, I need backup. Be right back. What's up, everyone? I have returned.
Hi. Can I say hi?
I've been murdered. Yeah, of course you can take it. Okay, guys, I brought backup. I turned the lights on. It was scary enough. Guys, I'm gonna tell you right now, this ain't no Freddy jump scare.
Oh wow, you lost.
This wasn't no like, ah! Oh, it was over. It was like, oh!
Wow. Okay. Well, I'm here now.
Sit in this chair. I'll tell you what happened so far.
I'll just be drawn out here in the background.
Yeah, guys, I hope you guys are okay with that. If not, it's not too bad. Okay? I'm playing this game for y'all. So basically, we got a friend named Jeff. We got into a car crash. Jeff was dead, but Megan thought it would be a good idea to go into this abandoned building and get help.
That's a
Help.
flat mood.
Rico, oh yeah, we already did the search continues. And yeah, that's what happened. I don't know if I'll have I don't know if I have the physical capabilities to play this game. My eyes are legit watering. I don't know if I have Oh no. Oh no. You saw that? Well, you didn't see that, Mira. I saw the killer walk to another room. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. I'm gonna piss myself. I'm not even playing. Oh my gosh, guys. What a freak! I heard running. Sugar tunnel. No! My body's tensing up. Turn the flashlight off. Hide. Nah. Guys, I'm gonna do this one more time and I'm gonna be done. I'm doing this one more time and I'm gonna be done. Even with company, it makes no difference. I'm terrified. I know I'm cringy, guys. I might be cringy, but like, please, just subscribe. You don't even need to watch my videos. Just a like and subscribe. And a comment, please. Just a comment equals a prayer. What games y'all want me to play next? Family friendly games would be nice. Maybe a nice anime dress up game. What?
I thought that was just a nickname you gave it.
Pardon?
Like, I thought it was just a nickname you gave it, like the sugar tunnel.
No, there's literally spray paint. It's called the Sugar Tunnel.
Okay, well, nice.
Okay, guys. We going down again. What the freak? Okay. Megan glitching out. Megan, look at Megan's face. This is the face of a warrior. Unfazed. Unfazed in the face of danger.
Megan is out here. She just wants to get out of here. She feels
It's open.
attacked. She came to this abandoned building to have a good time. She's feeling so attacked, frankly.
Okay. Guys, I'm gonna do the trip slide. Trip slide in one room. We in. Sprint. My heart is pumping so fast. Mira, feel my heart. Feel my heart. Feel it. Feel it.
Jesus, man.
Oh my gosh. I can't. I need a few foxy strokes. Just some pets. Check the lockers. Got a key! What is this? What is this? There's a note tucked into the corner. Read it. My name is David Ashford. My address is 3656 Corburn Hollywood Road, Drake Creek, Massachusetts. I think I'm going to die here. I'm hiding this. Note and hope someone will uncover it and knows the truth about what happened to us. No, somebody came to our campsite in the middle of the night and doesn't seem like the note was finished. I hear him breathing. Why are you Darth Vader breathing, bro? No. Turn the flashlight off. Hide in the corner. We hiding. I hear him breathing. I hear him breathing. He's Darth Vader. He's like. So, it's probably a clue that he's nearby. I still hear him breathing. Guys, I don't know if I can do this. I don't know if I can do this. Look at this. I'm not even moving it. My hand is shaking. You see this? It's shaking. I can barely hold the mouse. But I don't know if I can beat this game. Hold on. I saw a table back here. Maybe we can read it. This is a bench. This ain't no table. This is a door. Can we open it? Can we open this door? Turn, Megan. Turn. It's locked, metal door. I feel like I'm being watched here. That's nice, Megan. That's nice. Megan, do me a favor. Jeff. I don't think Jeff deserves this. Man, what has Jeff done for you? Jeff ain't gonna do this. What was that? No. No, don't start playing the music box. Don't start playing. It's a dead end. Don't start playing the music box. Where are we going? What's this place? Death Central? Hello? I'm Megan. I'm here to find my friend. His name is Jeff. I saw a shiny thing. Looks like a key. Pick it up. You got a key with green painted splatter on it. Yay, we got a key. Yay. So fun. How do people play these games, bro? How? Dang. Ah! What a freak!
Dude, you scared me.
Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video.
You scared me with that. Holy crap.
We got a key. That's all I'm doing. If y'all really want me to continue playing Power Drill Massacre, 20 likes. 20 likes. maybe don't like this video, go like another video, because I don't want to do another part of this. And if y'all really want a part, then y'all gotta get 20 likes. But if you guys enjoyed Power Drill Massacre, and you want more puppet combo games, more horror games, more screams, more terror, make sure to like and subscribe to join the Raftor Pack, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully not a horror game.